Title: Gratifying, the joy of fulfillment. Meaning: today, we're discussing the word gratifying. Gratifying is an adjective that describes something that provides satisfaction, pleasure, or a sense of accomplishment. It signifies the joy that comes from achieving or experiencing something rewarding. Pronunciation: pronouncing gratifying is simple, grat-i-fai-ing, with a soft G and clear enunciation. Use in a sentence. For example, achieving your goals can be a gratifying experience that fills you with a sense of fulfillment and pride. Importance: gratifying experiences are essential for our well-being, as they motivate us to pursue our aspirations and bring happiness into our lives. Conclusion: in summary, gratifying is a word that represents the joy of fulfillment and the rewards that come from our efforts and achievements. Thanks for joining us today on Connect to World. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, embrace the gratifying moments that make life more meaningful and rewarding.